Welcome back to another Seat of Your Pants adventure episode. Mini-Max 1030R build with Scott, me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this top ready to go. I'm going to sand this down a little bit here, just a touch over there, a little bit on the front. A touch with a fine sander, just a little bit right along these ribs. And then we'll be ready to put that top on. Let's see what we got here. Starting right about here now. It goes through to right here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what we got now. Good. Get a little crown right in the middle. Good. Good. Maybe even a little too much the other way. Good. 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 Okay. Yeah. This plane does not have the same bend at the top and the bottom. It's a little bit different. I think it'll make it look okay. We'll see. Alright. I'll run this across here. A little bit on the front here. I'm not putting this piece on at the moment. It looks much better. Alright, I got this little spot over here, I believe. Let me see here. Go around the other way. Let's see what we got here. Good, good. A little bit. Mark that. Not much at all on this one. Just one little spot. All right. Side, and I'll be ready to glue this baby on there. Here. Next step will be to clean it up and get this plywood on. We'll see what happens. All right, let me get ready for that.